What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to jump frets while shredding up and down a string in a horizontal fashion without making mistakes. That's the secret. Who cares if you go up and down the fretboard if you're making mistakes all the time? You need to learn how to do it without the mistakes, and I'm going to show you the skill you need to build so that doesn't happen. If you've already got the skill, then great. I applaud you for having it already because I don't meet too many people who have this skill. So if you do, congratulations, you're ahead of the game already. Here is the skill. Using the eyes to look and play faster than the fingers move. So the eyes need to be able to know what's going to be played. They need to be able to move a little faster than the fingers and get there beforehand so your fingers can see where to go. Think of your eyes as the flashlight. Your fingers follow the light so they can see where to go. So let's begin in the simplest way possible, which is beginning with A, B, C. We're going to stay to the key of A minor. We're going to move one position over to the B next. So I'm going to play. And all I'm going to do is look at the 7th fret while I'm playing the 5th fret so that I can see, if I'm looking at 7, I'll know where to stop. I'll stop there because that's where my eyes are looking. My finger's going to stop wherever my eyes are looking, so that's where I'm going to go. Now it seems pretty simple. I'm only moving over a couple frets, so you're thinking, yeah, that's easy, no big deal. Well, now you got to move to the 8th fret, so you got to look at the 8th fret to bring your finger there. Then you got to look back at 5 to get back into 5. Now we're looking at 10. And the exercise to get back to 5 is to look at 5. Now what you want to practice is looking at 5, then 10, then 5, then 10, and doing this a bunch of times to see if you can just keep going from 5 to 10. So you have to be able to look back and forth, and get your eyes used to moving ahead of your hand. If that doesn't happen, then this isn't going to work. So that is the exercise. You need to train your eyes to move a little quicker than your hands, but your eyes also need to know where they're going and where your hand is going to be going. So when you decide you're going to look at 12 now, you're looking at 5 while you're there, but the second you get to 5, you now look at 12. So now you're staring at the first string of the 12th fret. Now, if I want to stay to the key of A minor, you can decide what to do when you're there because the finger's already going to be there. Now you want to go to A. If I stay in A minor, I go to the 13. I'm looking at 13 now. Now you look at 15. If you have to start a little slower because you're getting the gap is getting bigger, then you start slower and you slide in a little with more control because you're moving a little slower. You'll notice that if you're not focused on the fret, you might miss it. You might catch it if you get the habit of sliding there, but you might miss it. So you need to be looking at it the entire time. This little exercise back and forth with the finger is an excellent eye trainer because you don't have to look at the whole hand. Your eye just has to follow your first finger. So when you're here, you immediately look at 15. When you're on 15, you immediately look back at 5, and you play this little game so that you can learn to do this quickly. And then you make the gaps bigger. As you miss or land, see, now I'm in G sharp. Should I have been in A? Well, only I know that. I could have been looking at G sharp and landed there on purpose. When you can hit any fret, it doesn't even matter. If you miss the one you're going for and you hit one that works anyway, no one would know. So this is a game you play. You're going to now back and forth. You're going to practice shooting your eyes up and down the string. So you're going to go 5, 8, 5, 10, 5, 12, 5, 13, 5, 15, 5, 17. Right? You're going to keep walking up. 5, 19, 5, 20, 5, 22. And you're going to get all the notes. Oh, by the way, whatever picking your pattern you're using, you should do it the same way for every single note. Notice how I changed out from the finger, second finger going. I changed out to second and third for the D, because I knew I was already going to vibrato that note. And as I explained in another video, you want to be prepared for any vibrato by second and third finger. So when I came in with that third finger, I prepared it with the second finger behind it. So I just want you to notice that when I played the licks, I was playing them like this. Second finger until I got all the way up. Then I slid in like this, prepared for a vibrato move. That's why in that other video I explained why you need to be learning how to do this move. So if you don't know the vibrato move I'm explaining, about being prepared all the time, then watch my other video on vibrato and understand why you need to be prepared all the time for vibrato. So there it is, folks. Here's what we're going to, now we'll pick the speed up a little bit. As your eyes get faster and they move, you gain the skill, you can start picking faster and sliding faster because your eyes can move faster. So you can only do this move as fast as your eyes can move. Is the eye training that you need. So I hope this video explains how to train your eyes to shred. Your eyes must be able to do the moves too. Here's how you do it. I hope this video helps you guys gain a whole new skill. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.